So hello guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn how to generate release signed APK in Android Studio. So up till now we have learned how to flash and how to test our application in Android Studio and on real device. But now it's time to learn how to upload your APK on the App Store. But before that, it is mandatory to sign your APK with the private key. So in this video we will learn how to generate this private key and signed our APK with this private key as well. So if you are new to our channel, then it is a request to please subscribe to our channel. So we have been bringing a lot of free courses, material and tutorials for you. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. So guys, first of all, now let's create a new project. And from here select empty activity and write the name of this project as signed APK. So I am creating this project from scratch, but you can follow the same steps for your application. So click finish button. Let's wait a while until our Android Studio is ready for the development. So I just have created a new project for the demo purpose, but you can implement all these steps on your business application or your startup application or any Android application. So let's wait a while until Android Studio is ready. So okay guys, our Android Studio is ready. Now first of all we will have to change the build variant for our application and we have to select the release mode. So okay, our build variant has been set to release mode. Now minimize this window and from the build, click on generate signed APK bundle or APK. And from here keep the checkbox checked. Generate a signed APK bundle for upload to App Store for the following benefits. So click next button. And from here you can either give the key store path if you already have your private key file. But if you do not have already your private key file, you can create new one. From here, give the path and I will set the path on desktop. I will generate a new folder, write it as signed APK, click OK. And from here, write the name of the file as well. Click OK. And we can set the password. You can write any password. And from here we will have to select the alias which will be reference to our private key file. And for the moment I will write and we can also set the path for this file. And from here we can set the validity of this file. So I have selected the 25 years. This is enough. So from here we can set the validity of the file. I have set the 25. You can select according to your desire, but I think 25 is enough. And from here select the first and last name. So I will write my organization name and I have the city Lahore, state Punjab, and my country code is 92 and you can write your own country name and click OK button. So my private key alias is here and the key password as well and the key store password here, and click the next button. And from here you can see the generated bundle or sign APK path set to your default location. You can change it from default location to your desktop where our private key file is also present. Click OK. And for the moment select the both version and click finish button. So Android Studio will take some time to build Gradle and generate the signed APK and private key file for you. So it may take from 2 minutes to 5 minutes according to your PC speed. So as you can see here, it is saying my app bundle generated successfully for module signed apk.app with 2 bundle variants. So click on it and from here we can locate our build or release APK. And you can see here this is located in the same desktop destination path. And here I have my private key. You have to save this file for the future reference. and in the release folder I have the bundle for my application to upload it on App Store. So this .aab file is the package for uploading on the App Store. You can also generate the APK in the same way by clicking the option we just have selected while creating this signed APK. So guys, hope you have enjoyed the video. Please like, share our video, subscribe to our channel. See you in next video.